AWM. The Assassin of England. The Accuracy International AWM, Arctic Warfare Magnum or AI Arctic Warfare Magnum, is a bolt-action sniper rifle manufactured by Accuracy International designed for Magnum rifle cartridges. The Accuracy International AWM is also unofficially known as the Arctic Warfare Super Magnum, which typically denotes AWM rifles chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum. On September 9, 2012, Accuracy International announced that the .338 Lapua Magnum AWM rifle was phased out and replaced by the Accuracy International AXMC sniper rifle. The bolt action of the AXMC was designed to be significantly stronger and more capable of handling higher chamber pressures and temperatures, and thus higher bolt thrust safely compared to the AWM, and hence is longer and wider. The AXMC magazine was also appropriately enlarged to function with .338 Lapua Magnum cartridges loaded to the Commission Internationale Permanente pour l'Épreuve d'Armes au Feu Portatifs maximum allowed overall length of 93.50 mm, 3.681 in. The Arctic Warfare Magnum system. The Accuracy International AWM sniper rifle is a variant of the British Accuracy International Arctic Warfare rifle that was the basis of a family of sniper rifles using the Arctic Warfare name. As such, the design details of the AWM variant are similar to the ones found in the basic AW rifle system. Compared to the AWM has a longer bolt to accommodate larger magnum-length cartridges such as the .300 Winchester Magnum and the .338 Lapua Magnum. The bolt head, locking ring, and extractor and magazines were also revised to work with the increased size and operating pressures of Magnum rifle cartridges. The AWM features a detachable single-stack removable box magazine which holds 5 rounds. The normal cartridges for this rifle, and the ones which have been accepted by NATO for use in AWM rifles, are .300 Winchester Magnum and .338 Lapua Magnum. Muzzle brakes are fitted to reduce recoil, jump and flash and act as a base for optional iron sights and suppressors. Standard configurations include a Schmidt-Bender PM25-25x56 FFP Mk2 telescopic sight with P4F graticule, but variants with variable magnification of either 3, 12x50 or 4, 16x50 are also available. Accuracy International actively promotes fitting the German-made Schmidt-Bender PM2/military Mk2 product line as sighting components on their rifles, which is rare for a rifle manufacturer. The German and Russian army prefer a telescopic sight made by Zeiss. The AWM rifle is normally supplied in a metal transit case together with a telescopic sight, mount, but spacers, bipod, spare magazines, sling, cleaning and tool kits. The Magnum chamberings. 300 Winchester Magnum. The .300 Winchester Magnum, 7.62 by 67 mm, cartridge was designed as a Magnum hunting cartridge and offers a flatter trajectory and a significant increase in muzzle velocity, wind resistance and supersonic range over the smaller 7.62 by 51 mm NATO cartridge. The ability of the .300 Winchester Magnum chambering to obtain fairly high muzzle velocities, combined with relatively heavy and long very low drag bullets, significantly enhanced the hit probability at longer ranges and hence the effective range compared to the 7.62 by 51 mm NATO cartridge. The AWM chambered for the .300 is fitted with a fluted, stainless steel barrel that is 660 mm, 26 in, long and features a non-traditional 279.4 mm, 111 in, right-hand twist rate. .338 Lapua Magnum, the AWM and the .338 Lapua Magnum, 8.6 by 70 mm, caliber was designed as a dedicated long-range sniper rifle. The rifle is fitted with a stainless steel, fluted, 686 mm, 27.0 in barrel, which research has found to be the best compromise between muzzle velocity, weight, and length. The barrel has an unconventional 279 mm, 111 in, right-hand twist rate, optimized for firing .338 caliber very low drag bullets up to 16.85 G, 260 gr. When the AWM .338 Lapua Magnum was developed, military-issue cartridges were loaded with 16.2 G, 250 gr, very low-drag bullets. Longer. Heavier, the 21st century 19.44 gram, 300 grain, .338 caliber HPBT Scener can be used, but require a 254 mm, 110 in, twist rate to stabilize them under high air density conditions as found on Arctic coasts. A limitation of AWM rifles is that .338 Lapua Magnum cartridges loaded to the Commission Internationale Permanente pour l'Épreuve d'Armes à Feu Portatifs (CIP), maximum allowed overall length of 93.50 mm, 3.681 in, do not fit in the magazine due to a lack of internal magazine length. This is because the AWM bolt action was initially developed for smaller cartridges, and then modified for the .338 Lapua Magnum chambering. Ammunition manufacturers produce .338 Lapua Magnum military-issue cartridges loaded with 16 2G, 250 gr, very low-drag bullets, overall length less than or equal to 91.44 mm, 3.600 in, that fit in the 91.5 mm, 3.60 in, long AWM magazines. As long as .338 Lapua Magnum cartridges that fit in the magazines are used, the AWM rifles can be used as repeating rifles instead of single-shot rifles. To address .338 Lapua Magnum ammunition length limitations of the AWM, Accuracy International has since developed the AX338 long-range rifle as the AWM successor model. The bolt action of the AX338 is longer and wider than the AWM, and the internal magazine is lengthened, allowing the unimpaired use of .338 Lapua Magnum cartridges loaded to the CIP, Permanent International Commission for the Proof of Firearms Portable, maximum allowed overall length of 93.5 mm, 3.68 in. Furthermore, the AX338 has a 238 mm, 1 minute and 9.375 seconds in, twist rate to adequately stabilize longer, heavier .338 caliber very low-drag projectile designs that became more common in the 21st century. Ammunition types available for the 338 Lapua Magnum are FMJ, hollow point, armor-piercing and armor-piercing incendiary, extreme range confirmed sniper kill. In November 2009, British Army Sniper Corporal of Horse Craig Harrison, a member of the Household Cavalry, set the record for longest recorded sniper kill, at the time, by killing 2 Taliban machine gunners consecutively south of Musa Qala in Helmand Province in Afghanistan at a range of 2,475 meters, 2,707 yards, taking 10 shots to hit the target, using a L-115A3 long-range rifle. Military adoption. British Armed Forces. The British Armed Forces adopted the AWM rifle chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum as the L-115A1 long-range rifle. The British L-115A1 rifles are outfitted with Schmidt-Bender 3-12x50 mm PM2/military Mk2 3-12x50 mm 0.1 mm telescopic sights. The L-115A1 is in service with the Royal Marines, British Army and RAF Regiment in Afghanistan and Iraq. In November 2007, the British Ministry of Defence, MOD, announced that their snipers in the Army, Royal Marines and RAF Regiment were to get a new rifle. Accuracy International would supply 580 L-115A3 long-range rifles with daytime telescopic sights. The L-115A3 is being supplied as part of a broader Sniper System Improvement Program, SSIP, which also includes night sights, spotting scopes, laser rangefinders and tripods. 8. The L-115A3 rifle was first deployed to Afghanistan in May 2008, when the L-115A3 long-range rifle was only 6 years into its life cycle. The British Ministry of Defence, MOD, recognized the improved capabilities of the AX series rifles in regard to Special Forces use. The AX series new chassis system provided more flexibility to utilize future low light and day light aiming optics, laser designators, and other accessories without the need for custom-made mounting interface kits. The right-folding AX series chassis system was also more compact in the folded configuration, making it more portable and concealable, and featured a pistol grip. On request of the mod, Accuracy International explored the possibility of updating the L115A3 long-range rifle to the AX series chassis system to produce a rifle that is a hybrid of AWM and AX features. The AX enhancements were well received by the mod and British snipers, and an update program was launched, thus producing the L115A4. The L115A4 can easily be mistaken for a new AX series rifle. The Schmidt-Bender 5-25x56mm PM2LP/military MKI 5-25x56, as well as the suppressor, bipod, and several other accessories from the L115A3 were reused in the L115A4, resulting in significant cost savings. Along with the rifle updates, the L115A4 includes a new deployment case, maintenance kit, and other accessories. German Armed Forces. Since 1998, the Bundeswehr fields an AWM chambered in .300 Winchester Magnum, 7.62 by 67 mm in Bundeswehr nomenclature. With a 3.12x56 SSG telescopic sight made by the German company Zeiss, under the designation of G22, Vorgewehr 22, or Scharfschützengewehr 22, Sniper Rifle 22. The German G22 rifles have folding stocks and emergency iron sights. For their G22 rifles, the Bundeswehr claims an effective range of 1,100 meters, 1,203 yards, and muzzle velocity of 885 meters per second, 2,904 feet per second. The German ammunition manufacturer Metalwerk Eisenhütte Nassau, MEN, has specially developed 7.62 by 67 mm ammunition for the G22. The Carl Zeiss Optronics, previously branded as Hensoldt, telescopic sight has a mil-dot reticle and a scale that enables the operator to see the dialed-in elevation setting through the rifle scope's ocular. The Bundeswehr 3.12x56 SSG telescopic sight differs somewhat from the further developed 3.12x56 SSGP telescopic sight. The Bundeswehr telescopic sight has no parallax setting option, and the range scale has a setting range from 0 to 10 instead of 0 to 11, symbolizing the 11.2 milliradian elevation adjustment range shown in the current Carl Zeiss Optronics 3.12x56 SSGP telescopic sight brochure. The G22A1 has a Schmidt-Bender 3-12x50 telescopic sight and Harris Engineering bipod and is in use with German Special Forces. The G22A2 is an upgraded variant featuring an AX series chassis stock, a new monopod and bipod, a new double-chamber muzzle brake, and a Steiner Optic GmbH M5 She 5-25x56 MTC LTLPF. Tremor 3S telescopic sight. The accessory pack besides spare and maintenance parts includes a Kestrel 5700 Elite weather meter with an integrated ballistic calculator. In 2019, Accuracy International was awarded a contract to refurbish and upgrade all G22 and G22A1 rifles to the G22A2 standard.